overview of what this is. This is the prototype for an adaptation of a plane that guys in my club have been flying for years, that someone else made. The original was made from, I believe, depron, and I adapted the design to be made from Dollar Tree foam board. Made a few changes just for ease of construction, like the angular canopy, and I also did a 3D printed nose piece out of flexible filament rather than foam. It doesn't have to be done that way. Magnets to hold the canopy on. Battery strap a little different. I actually run the battery strap on the outside because it's easier to cinch down on the outside. And equipment and wiring is about as simple as it can get. It's all on the outside. A couple of 9-gram servos. I'm running a Sunny Sky 2212-9, which is only a 1400 kV. Most guys run a 2200-ish and a 6-inch prop. The benefit to that is with a 6-inch prop, it actually won't drag. This is an 8-inch prop and it would touch the ground. Other than that, size and weight are virtually identical to the original, and we're about to see if it will aviate. Okay. I think I might walk down here to the really tall grass because I have no idea how much reflex, if any, this is going to need, and I'd rather not have to repair it immediately. So we're going to do this. I'm going to launch it upwards without throttle. I don't want a chance tangling with the prop. All right, here we go. That was a little scary, but it worked. Need a little left trim. Almost acts tail heavy, which is okay because I've got plenty of room to move the battery forward. In fact, I think I'm going to do that because I'm pretty sure that's tail heavy. Let's roll it inverted. Oh yeah, it tucks. It's very tail heavy. Okay. So maybe my CG calculation was off. I mean, it's flyable, but boy, it's touchy. All right, well, let's scooch the battery forward just a hair. Plenty of room to move it. Whee! Okay, now it's definitely pitching down. Feels less pitch sensitive though.
Trim center.
Inverted.
Four minutes.
45-degree upline. Yeah, that's better. The biggest problem is I just have too much elevator throw. Definitely got to get some color on it. Jeez. Probably got too much aileron throw too. Yeah, that's too much elevator throw. Needs about half what I've got in there. Land it on the runway and keep it drier. Don't care if it gets scuffed up. All right, let's remove some elevator travel. Dang, why does it pitch down so much on the launch?
Trim center.
good through the turns, just like the original. I wonder if it's a thrust line thing. The thrust line is above the wing center line. So if we're slow and punch throttle, does it pitch down? It sure does. Okay, so that's a thrust line thing. Just have to be ready with a little bit of up elevator. Interesting.
2 minutes.
Yeah, it definitely pitches down under power. Huh. Not much to do about that. If you want the thrust line high enough to clear a prop with the keels, you just have to be ready. Does much tighter loops outside than inside. Probably the thrust line. Plonk. Interesting. Doesn't take much throw. Not even warm. Speed controller. Really should space it so it gets some airflow under it. Alright, let's. I can feel the pitch down. You can see it right there. Yeah. Might need to shim that motor a little bit. You got to be ready with up elevator as you roll in the power, that's for sure.
1 minute.
This would be fun with rudder or vectored thrust. Boy, it needs color.
Nine, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0.
It's not slow. This is an 8.4.5 prop. It's only pulling about 15 amps. Certainly not underpowered. All right, I'm going to call that a success.